Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple process of logging into your eBay account. Whether you're a seasoned eBay shopper or new to the platform, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to access the account. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to ebay.com. Once the eBay homepage loads, you'll see the sign in option at the top left corner of the screen page or at the top right corner. Click on that. Now you'll be directed to the sign in page. Here you'll need to enter your email address or username in the provided field. After entering your email address, click on the continue button. Next, you'll need to enter your password in the designated field. Once you've entered your password, click on the sign in button. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your eBay account. Now you can access all your saved items, track your purchases, and much more. Remember to log out of your account when you're done to keep your information secure. And that's how easy it is to log in into your eBay account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on eBay.